Get ready. Dictation starts. Mr. Deputy Chairman, sir, I beg to move that the bill to provide for the prevention, control and abatement of air pollution for the establishment with a view to carrying out the aforesaid purposes of boards for conferring on and assigning to such boards powers and functions relating thereto and for matters connected therewith as passed by the Lok Sabha be taken into consideration. Sir, it is a matter of great pleasure to me to pilot the Air Prevention and Control of Pollution Bill 1988, which was unanimously passed by the Lok Sabha. I am sure all the members will agree with me that the problem of air pollution in the country, though not so serious as that of water pollution, should not be neglected, as some of our cities like Delhi, Calcutta, Bombay, Kanpur, etc. are already feeling its effects. It has therefore become necessary to bring in legislation to control air pollution, as prevention is always better than better and cheaper than cure, and this is especially so in environmental pollution control matters. Para. Before bringing in this legislation, an exercise was made in my ministry to see whether the existing legislation could be suitably modified to deal with this problem. Though there are certain provisions in the Factories Act, Criminal Procedure Code and Smoke Nuisance Act, they have been found to be inadequate. Hence, the need for a comprehensive legislation to deal with all aspects of air pollution was felt. An expert committee appointed for the purpose recommended a central act and suggested a draft bill also. This draft was duly examined and eventually a bill to provide for the prevention and control of air pollution was introduced in the Lok Sabha in April 1987. The bill was referred to a joint committee of the two houses. The committee considered the bill in detail and presented its report to the Lok Sabha on the 18th May 1988. The bill, however, could not be taken into account for unseen circumstances. All the recommendations for the joint committee of the houses have been incorporated in the present bill. In the UN Conference on Human Environment in 1987, in which India also participated, decisions were made to take appropriate steps for the preservation of natural resources of the earth, which included control of air, air pollution. Stop. This is the end of the passage. please uh, before going for transcription, go through the passage once again, read all the things. Wherever you find any omissions in there, if you are able to remember that word, you can correct it and add that one. Go through the passage once again, read carefully. Then, whenever they are asked, the examiners asked to start the transcription, then you can start transcription. Okay, the passage of this, the on the PDF format of this passage, dictation passage, will be given in separate in the other video, in the separate video. Right? Thank you.